Hey everybody, today we are playing Roblox, and we are playing Rolling Thunder PVE with my friend Spoops. He does not have a YouTube channel right now. He is working on it. But when he does, I'll let you guys know. And as you see, I've played the game so far already. And this is not my first time playing it. But I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's go in.
Welcome to the rice fields. What?
Welcome to the battlefield.
Welcome to the rice fields, my mans. La 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 la.
I recommend you do not try this at home.
Yeah, definitely not go to Vietnam with a sniper or pistol.
Maybe you can do this with Nerf guns, but definitely not real guns.
Or airsoft. I really support airsoft.
Yeah, maybe not airsoft too, because that could. Maybe paintball guns. That might be good.
Remember, this actually happened once. This is education.
I love how you can just take like 1,000,000,000 shots and be okay. It's like, yeah, jam's spilling out of me a whole bunch, but I'm okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I can get the Arlo.
This
This is the AR-10. I'm gonna call the AR-10 Arlo because that's kind of what it looks like. It's AR-10 Arlo. The AR-10 is gonna be called the Arlo from now on. Maybe don't do that. Cause that could be. I think that might be copyrighted.
I sing it.
No, yes, because it's still in the video.
But PP. What I mean by PP is Picasso paste. Pasta paste.
Okay, just maybe stop talking. I just glitched through the map.
Good for you. What a willing prize. Colton,
where are you?
I'm near the new helicopter.
Colton, I'm on the other side of the bridge. Come on. I need to show you where the glitch part is.
Is it this one?
We're in this grass here.
Well, the Vietnam are setting up the traps. Guess they're setting up the spy holes again. We know, like.
Imagine you're just walking, all of a sudden you just fall to the earth, and it's like, what the?
Center of the earth. Journey to the center of the earth. Buy now on disc and Blu-ray DVD.
Time to get a new gun. It's the Arlo.
The Arlo.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna call it Arlo from now on. So,
Perfect.
yeah, it's the Arlo. So if you don't like it, I don't care. Actually, I gotta do something real quick. BRB.
Maybe you should.
Okay, just kidding.
Huh?
Actually, I gotta do something real quick. BRB.
Big boy.
Okay, I'm back.
I'm a big boy now, Mom.
I'm a
Thunder.
I'm a big boy now.
I'm a big kid now.
Oh, my turn to run.
Went from Nerf guns to AR-10.
Okay, stop.
Going to Vietnam.
with Arlo.
Arms.
Arlo's gonna become a new staple of the channel.
What is
Arlo. My AR.
people start commenting on your video saying that it's
Ar-
probably AR-10.
I don't care. I'm a
Saying
no joke. I'm gonna
Arlo.
reply in all caps and say it's Arlo. Say it.
No.
Say it.
Now your
I dare you.
subscribers are gonna just spam AR-10.
I don't care. Imagine instead of spamming AR-10, they spam Arlo.
That would just be wicked.
Okay, I'm out of ammo. I'm gonna use my pistol.
Why am I shooting? What happened to Obama and them?
I just, bruh,
Well,
dude. I just made jam spill out of a guy's body named John Rambo.
Ah. Do not mean blood, I swear. If you guys comment blood.
Yeah, they got John Rambo in this game. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying that because I don't know if that can get me like demonetized or copyright strike. Probably not, but I mean, who knows?
Get a refill on ammo. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Open menu.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Almighty Arlo. I can't tell if that's a pistol. I think that's a shotgun. But also, I can't tell if that's a pistol.
God gameplays.
Yeah, I think I'll actually get a sniper.
Good choice.
Let's get a.
You don't know when the trees are gonna start speaking Vietnamese.
Okay, I'll get the XM21. Yeah, I can do that.
Let me check what's
It's
on
time
the
to go God mode on. Let's go.
Is the Mosin. Mosin, I don't know what it's.
Bushman! Huh?
That's such a good swing. God gameplays from Felix, aka Incineroar himself.
Okay. Taking heavy fire. Falling back.
Pew. Pew.
Going back in. Oof.
Can you guys hold on one second? I'm reloading my hunting rifle. Only thing I'm skinny as you.
You know what? I think that's gonna be it for today, everybody. So yeah,
Make sure to
I'll-
subscribe to me,
yeah,
please.
yeah. Don't forget to
Don't wanna
like
go
and
into a
subscribe.
spiraling depression.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot about the zombies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. You got anything to say, Spoops?
Subscribe to go into a spiraling depression.
Yeah, no, you already said that. Well, that's it for today, everybody. So Incineroar out. Also, real quick, I am going to be playing this game off camera. Yes, so officially, Incineroar out.